Hello students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss the nth term of an AP. Nth term and AP. 3, 7, 11, 15, 19, so on. This sequence is an AP. Why? 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 4, 19, so on. Means here common difference D is constant. Here A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. T1 is equal to A is equal to 3. T2 we write in terms of A and D. 3 plus 4, that is T1 plus D is equal to A plus D. T1 is equal to A. Therefore, we write A plus D. T3 is equal to 7 plus 4, that is T2 plus D, second term. A plus D is equal to A plus 2D. T2 is equal to A plus D, that is A plus 2D. T4, 11 plus 4 is equal to T3 plus D. That is T3 is A plus 2D plus D, that is A plus 3D. Now here which term? This is second term. This is T3 third term. Fourth term. Using these terms we write A plus D, that is A plus 2 minus in bracket 2 minus 1 bracket complete into D. 2 minus 2 minus 1 means 1. 1 into D means A plus D we write in terms of A plus in bracket 2 minus 1 into D. T3 means third term we write in this way. A plus 2D is equal to A plus in bracket 3 minus 1 into D. 3 is third term. 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 into D, 2D. Means this A plus 2D we convert in this way. A plus in bracket 3 minus 1 bracket complete into D. Fourth term A plus 3D, that is equal to A plus in bracket 4 minus 1 bracket complete into D. Similarly, for nth term, Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket complete into D. This is the generalized form for a nth term. Nth term of, therefore, nth term of an AP is Tn. Nth term is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 bracket complete into D. This is formula for nth term of an AP. Write down this formula. Using this formula, we solve practice set 3.2. In our next video, we solve practice set 3.2 using this formula. Write down this formula in your notebook. Thank you.